I'm gonna do it all again. Watch me rebuild my agency to 100k monthly recurring revenue in the USA from scratch with my twin brother. On the left side, that's me. On the right side, that is Robin. And it's a really big claim. So give me like an introduction. Like, what is this challenge and who are we? At first, my name is Martijn and my brother's name is Robin. And we had already some experience, and we still have in the agency space in the Netherlands with our agency twins. And there we created a unique web design offer, and we scaled that with paid ads, good systems, good offer, and good delivery. And now we decided to like go out of our comfort zone and try to scale this in the USA, like from scratch, so we can take you like on a whole new journey how we're gonna do it. So what did we already achieve? As I said, we did some really high numbers already with our own web design offer. And also we helped a few select individuals to start their own agency or even work together in the same company to scale that company. And we only did like with a really few people. It was not like an online course or community, but we wanted to try our own systems and wanted to see if it works also by others. And yeah, so we did it, and the both people who we helped with scaling their agency, they had also success. So our plan was to do it again, like take you on a journey, show how we're going to do it, what we are going to do it, and how you can learn from it. So this challenge will be full transparent, no fluff, just the real steps, what we're going to do. We're going to probably show a lot of mistakes, and also the growth. Mistakes because like the USA is something completely different than Europe, or especially like the Netherlands. So really, we really have to start from scratch again. Yes, we have some knowledge about how to set up an online company, how to create a good offer, etc. But scaling like in another country, we're gonna probably make lots of mistakes. So the reason for this challenge, to make a full big case study to show people what is possible. Gonna just show really transparent at the moment. We are starting with zero again, from this point from the USA. So everything what we will do is like the 0 point to start. So you can see everything what we're gonna do, the mistakes, the growth, etc. Also like documenting the process of launching in the USA. So probably you can learn from the mistakes, and if you want to do it the same, um, or you just want to start an online business, you can see what mistakes and how to avoid them. Also, keep ourselves accountable. It's really easy to like get in the comfort zone or don't do the work anymore because it's already working good. So this process also to keep ourselves accountable, and also really pushing ourselves. We were like stuck in a comfort zone for like a really long time. We still have like a good offer in the Netherlands, and we didn't scale maybe like what is possible. We just got not stuck, but in the comfort zone on the same level for like a long time. Why? Because there were good numbers, still good numbers, and yeah, just a little bit comfort, I think. Also, like show the full process so you can learn from it. And we're gonna launch our own agency community with everyone's gonna start their own agency or want to learn how to start an agency. We want to create a big community, and I think this case study is like lead by example case, of course, if it will succeed, to show what we can learn and yeah, create a big community about it, and so people can learn from everyone in their community. All right. So what is the plan? First, we don't have experience in the USA, and it's completely different. So what do we have to do? We have to hire someone like a business consult to launch in the USA. At this point, we are recording video. We already have the business consultant, and he has experience in launching offers in the USA, and also like scaling and launching agencies in the USA. So we really need the help of him, and he's gonna like be our third eye, like our strategist, consult, and yeah, he's gonna help. Also, like redefining our offer and discuss possibilities. As I said, we have a good web design offer, but we are not sure if that's like the golden offer what we are gonna need to use to hit the 100K monthly recurring revenue. Maybe we have to adjust a little bit, make the price higher, um, create like upsells. So we have to redefine our offer from scratch. Also, launching the offer with a good funnel. Of course, it has to be like a little bit more in depth, maybe with some videos, a special funnel, VSL. Lots of possibilities here. We have to choose one eventually, but first we have to launch as soon as possible. And when we have proof of concept, it's like scaling to the moon. We really need to like see what is the right message to use get to the target audience, what is the right offer for the target audience, and what is the right funnel for the offer for the target audience. I think that's the three steps what you have to do. And after that, you have like the proof of concept, you have the good funnel, you have the good offer, the target audience, and the backend and the sales, etc. And it's just putting more money in the funnel to get more money out. All right, the offer. We have lots of ideas. So there are so many possibilities in AC space. Think about Google Ads, a Meta ad service, a review service, SEO, website, etc. But we wanted to keep it simple. We have experience, the most experience in the website space, so we're gonna stick to that plan, to that service, and create an offer around web design. So that's what we are good at. We're gonna stick to that, and we're gonna try if that's also like in the USA, what the market is like, getting the credit card for. Also, we have to make more money, so we're gonna look at the possibilities for the upsells. Most of the people who need a website are also in the need of marketing because they want traffic to the website. So we're gonna look for the possibilities for that, but we have to test it. We're gonna test what is our best target audience and what do they need after the website. So we want to have the lifetime value as high as possible. All right, that's the plan. But what is the current situation? At the moment, we defined our strategy. I'm not going to read everything, just only like the small things. We know what types of business we want to try to target with our advertisements. And we just made like our demographics and psychographics about the target audience. Of course, meta ads, we're going to target this audience with meta ads. Probably has like other ideas how this target audience will look, but this is our like ideal customer, what we try to target with our messagings. Now they have like pain points, they've invested money in the website but don't see any results. That's probably if they have that pain point, it's going to really good to combine that with a marketing offer. Or they have like traffic but the website is not generating leads from it. Maybe they like lots of pain points, or they don't know how to build it, or just want to outsource the website to get their time back. Like lots of possibilities. Um, we also define their desires. Again, these are like hypotheses. We don't know sure about them, but these are like most common sense desires and things what is gonna fit with our target audience. Yeah, for example, the desires they want more customers via their website. They want their website to be an effective tool to attract new customers, or they want measurable results in the form of more leads, customers, and revenue. Like lots of desires possible, and some of them they have like false beliefs with offer. My customers are not online, or it's too SEO is too complicated and time consuming. We already have a website, so that's enough. Like lots of false belief the target audience can have, and that's the reason they are not like informed enough. So if lots of people have these beliefs, we need to get that in a message to like show what's possible with a new website, or showing them more with information. So that's going to be like the offer. We want to create a website that what is a conversion tool, and not like a simple online business card. But that's because that's not generating revenue for the customer, and you cannot sell them a marketing package because who wants to send traffic to only a business card? So potential upsells we have in mind, like after website is delivered, we can provide SEO service, Google reviews, search engine advertising, or meta ads, and maybe even like funnels for them. But we don't know yet because we don't know what kind of customers we are gonna attract. So the funnel at the moment will look like this. gonna roll advertisements on Meta. They're gonna go to the survey to qualify them, if they have money, what kind of industry are they, and then they can book a sales consult with us, like a 45-minute strategy call, and then boom, probably, like, hopefully, the close. So the next steps are really simple. We have to make the funnel, we have to make the ads, the scripts for the ads, for the videos, maybe like also for the sales scripts, and launching the test campaigns. Again, we have to like test lots of messaging, see what the pain points are, when we can hit the sweet spot with them. And yeah, so we have to work that out. Our business consult is going to help a lot with it, and our deadline is 7 days. Then we hope we can launch the first small test with like small ad budgets and see what kind of traffic we can generate. So you want to make money online as well with your agency? Really simple. We have a free community today, and you will see more in-depth videos about the strategy. Like for example, we can zoom in a lot about how we advertise, or how we're gonna do like the back end, the delivery, or how to do the sales. Like lots of things. We're gonna go way more in depth in our community, and you can join like in the description link here, and we only accept at the moment like 100 people. So if you're an agency owner or want to become an agency owner, at the moment it is free, and we only allow 100 people to generate like a really high quality community. You can apply, just hit link here in the video, and we're gonna look at your application, and if we think you are a fit for a community, we will let you in. All right, thanks for watching, and we'll probably see you in the next video about the update of the challenge.